So our focus is on scale. This is my big secret to business. Do things that can be scaled up.
I found busyness to be my biggest enemy. It prevented me from thinking. The art of business is making money while you're sleeping, not while you're working.
The ability to overcome that anxiety is how you create that buying relationship as the first step. Every product that you build should be based on the simple principle of what happens next. It's what are you going to do for that customer next?
Everyone knows traffic and conversion, right? This is the missing piece of the puzzle. Repeat business. To deliver on what you promised. Re-engage them through content. Make them an additional offer. That is what will set you apart.
If you don't have the vision and strategy right, you'll never get off the ground. But if you don't have leadership and operations right, you'll never be great and you'll never have the life you want.
It's not about the tools. It never is. It's about the transformation you feel using the tools. If it's not moving you emotionally to be doing what you're doing, it doesn't matter. You won't set up the automation. You won't keep at it.
No mistake, no blown marketing campaign or failed product and no partnership gone south means that you are any less capable or any less amazing. And in fact, if you manage these natural failures appropriately, you'll find that they really do make you better and more capable and ultimately more likely to succeed next time.